today my kids went camping with their dad, so I thought that left me time to stay home, clean up, and hang out with Stormy, but my mom decided to come over. This is Mom, aka Wita. And we came to the city to visit her friend and to say goodbye because she is leaving the country. She's moving out of the country. So I'm bringing you guys with me.
A ver, aquí. Ya, los dos. Wow, sí, ahí está, por acá vivía John Kennedy, el muchacho que murió. Para allá vivía él.
Yeah.
Sí, porque por ahí está para Lincoln Tunnel, creo. Algo así. Wow, cómo ha cambiado esto.
Yep, today we're rock climbing. Chloe zip line. Daddy zip line. Michaela gave us support, right? Michaela's rock climbing. Are you guys having fun camping?
Mama, look. Oh.
Silly. Say we miss you.
We miss you.
We love you. We'll call you soon.
Put this down.
I love. We'll call you later. Up, almost had it. You got it, Chloe. That's it, Chloe. That's okay. My girl.
It's okay. You can do it.
Just...
Did you want? No? Okay, look, you nice and secure. That's not coming like that. This isn't coming like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Looks like you guys are having fun. I'm here in the city still. I miss you guys. Have fun. I wish I was there. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm finally home. Sorry for the mess in the background. I got this light that I purchased to add to my GoPro, and it seems to be pretty good. It's kind of bright, so it's hard to like talk to the camera, but anyways, excuse my appearance too. I'm like all sweaty and gross from walking the whole city. The weather was like, it was 90 degrees today, so it was pretty hot, but nonetheless, it was a really, really nice day. I got to hang out with my mom. We ventured, through downtown. We went to visit her friend, and we went to Chinatown for lunch, and then we went to a local bakery there and had some of these Asian desserts, which were so good. And then it was it. We went back to her place, chit-chatted a little more, and we ventured back home. So it was quite a long day, lots and lots of walking, but you know what, we're from the city. I'm from the city, I'm used to it. My mom now lives in Jersey, so she's not so much used to the city life like she used to be, but you know, I definitely feel like I missed my kids and my husband a lot. It was nice to get some videos and text messages from them, you know, knowing that they're okay and that they're having a good time. But, you know, even though I had my mom as company, I still feel like, you know, I come home and I expect to see my kids and I don't. Well, I'm sorry, I did see one kid. So Stormy was home, but the poor thing was home by herself for a while, and, you know, it's nice to be back. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to take a shower and get ready for the next day because my kids come back and my husband comes back and I'm just excited to see them. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. Comment down below so I know who's watching and I can say hello. Alright, and I'll talk to you or see you guys soon. Or not see you guys.